Welcome, little chefs. Are you ready for a kitchen adventure? First things first, we gotta wash our hands and then we'll get started. Today, we are making Rainbow Fruit Skewers using all the different colors of the rainbow in fruits. So, what you'll need are some red strawberries, some orange mandarins or cuties, or even a small orange. Uh-oh. Yes, hello? Mm-hmm. No, I know. I did say orange. I know that. No, I'll relay the message. I will. It's just, well, cuties, that doesn't really mean they're cuter than you. It just means they're kind of smaller. It's just the name of like a smaller mandarin. Yeah. Oh, I will tell them. Yeah, I know, but I'm kind of in the middle of something, so. Okay. Okay. No, I'll tell. Okay. Here, bye. Sorry about that. That was Angry Orange on the phone, and he wanted me to tell you that not all oranges are orange. In fact, most oranges are green. And this is a food fun fact that I actually learned today. And one thing I love about being curious in the kitchen is learning new things about food. Everyone has seen oranges. It's literally in the name. But have you ever seen a green orange? And did you know that oranges can be perfectly ripe even when their skin is still green? In warm tropical climates, oranges stay green because of something called chlorophyll. That's right, the same green pigment that plants use to absorb sunlight for photosynthesis. In cooler weather, that chlorophyll breaks down, making the orange color underneath appear. So, don't judge a fruit by its cover. Yellow fruits, we have a mango and a pineapple. Oh! These two we're going to cut. A grown-up's going to help us with that. We also have kiwis and green grapes. We're green. We're going to cut this up because you can eat the peel, but it's not that fun to eat. And then for purple, we have some green grapes and blueberries. Those blueberries are pretty good. And one more thing that you'll need in today's kitchen adventure are skewers. These ones are wooden. You can find them at the grocery store. Just be careful of the pointy ends as you assemble your fruit rainbow. All right, let's get to chopping on some of these fruits. You might be wondering, isn't that a small amount of mango? Let's check the security tapes. Okay, so I ate some of the mango in the process. Let's just get back to chopping. Peeling our mandarin now. After we chopped up our pineapple, we chopped up our mango, we chopped up our kiwi. Now we have our orange fruit. Oh! He's squirting the juice everywhere. Do you have a favorite fruit? Mine is definitely mango. I gotta be honest, my least favorite fruit are oranges. because I think they're difficult to peel. They are, yeah, they're just not my favorite, and that's okay. Everybody has their favorites and stuff they like more than other. Oh, of course. Yes. Please don't take it personally. I was just saying everybody has their favorites. No, I'm not. I'm not saying you're the worst of all the fruits. I'm just saying. Okay. Yeah, maybe I haven't tasted the best orange yet. Maybe you are. That's true. Right. No, I know that just because you're green turning yellow then orange doesn't mean you're not right. I know you're right. No, I know that. Yeah, no, really though, I gotta go. Okay, bye-bye. Angry orange is a bit of a sensitive fruit. Okay, now we have peeled our little oranges into segments. If I can get the last segment, I can get the last one separated. There you go. See, not my favorite fruit. Okay, now we're gonna just arrange all our fruit in rainbow order. And I might need some help remembering what the rainbow order is. We have red, orange, yellow, green, purple, blue, indigo. The purple grapes and dark blue blueberries. We're just gonna call that blue purple. Let's get one of our skewers, being careful of the pointy end, and put our red fruit on first. And it's just gonna slide on just like that. Bing. Next up is orange. Oh. And then what's next? Shall we do a little bit of the yellow? Ooh. And then some mango after the pineapple. Up next is green. And then green again, an even bigger fruit. Oh, wow. And then purple grape next. And then to finish it off, we're going to top the skewer off with 2 blueberries. Because we have a lot of blueberries, and blueberries are delicious. I'm over here. Over here. You know what we get to do now? Taste it. Let's take a bite. Mmm. 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 You know what I noticed is the sweetest, I think, is the mango. I think the most sour is the kiwi. Strawberry is pretty sweet. What do you notice when you taste yours? What's your favorite when you taste yours? Your least favorite? Hmm. Yum. Mm. The pineapple's pretty sweet too. All right, I don't like oranges that much, but I'm gonna give it a try. Mm. That's pretty juicy. That's actually pretty good. Sometimes you keep trying stuff, and then over time it tastes better each time. That's not too bad. Still not my favorite. Don't judge the grapes too harshly. They got a little beat up in my fridge. They're perfectly fine and washed and everything. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, wash your fruit. That's step 2 after wash your hands. Yeah. Don't forget to wash your fruit. Today we made something together. We saw fruits of all different colors. And we even learned something new. Great job today! Yay! You are a chef when you are curious. You are a chef when you try. And you are always welcome here. See you next time, little chefs. That's good. That's good. I'm going to eat all of these. Hey, Ari, shush. Love it. My camera's probably crooked. If one more mosquito shows up in here, it's over. For today are fruit skewers. Well, I forgot to mention. Any skewers. I hope it is. Fruits. Ari, you're interrupting me, just like Angry Orange.